Huh?
People were able to break the PS5.
Oh. What?
Jailbroke it.
So it begins, eh?
Yeah, the hacking.
Alright. Let me go to the web. It looks like this might be the full size. I think it's... Oh no. Is it seeing the whole thing? I actually can't tell. This is kind of scary. I'm gonna take this BRB out because I'm no longer Burb. Um, hmm. Off center and it bothers me. It's off center on the thing. Here we go. I'll fix that later if that changes. Alright. Web version will not work in Firefox. Well, you know what's great? We're not on Firefox. Don't be scared. I don't know, there's a lot of text. Oh. What's happening? Expected L in register A got... What? What's happening? Help you understand the intricacies of visual assembly. Typically run on servers with help of special processors, okay? Help you create for your server. The layout of the IDE is pre-configured, but you may resize sections and drag tabs around to better suit your needs. Creating VASM programs is simple. Switch to the instruction palette and drag an instruction from the palette onto the program panel. Once you've done that, depending on the instruction, you may change some properties. Drag it from the program back to the instruction. You have 4 registers here. Each register character sequence, how this is interpreted is different. Instructions will be covered later in span. Due to time constraints, this edition of VASM does not contain explanation for instructions. Oh no! If your corporation needs assistance in training employees program VASM, please contact us. Okay. Alright. If this is your first time programming in Visual Assembly, your first task will be simple. To fill it, put the following values onto appropriate register. Register. Do I actually type it in? Oh. Name. Expected value. Do I type anything? No? No. I have to write the program. Oh. Um. Oh man, is this like actual? Does this actually legitimately teach you this program? Can I just? Oh, I have to change these values. Or do I like drag it? Oh no, this is the instruction. It's not a real language. You made it up. Oh man, that's crazy though. Oh, I type it. Store and register A. Wait. Oh. Put put into the following values into the appropriate register. That means L and D are lowercase a. Oh, okay. Okay. So it has to be capital. Oh. Ho ho ho. Expected L in register A got blank. I'm missing stuff. Get so is this can I move it? Ooh. Oh. Oh, I can. Okay. I thought that that's what I might need to do, but I thought I was just gonna edit it here. Oh ho ho ho. Will that do it? Oh, I have. That's cool though. Okay. Dragging is a bit iffy. Okay. I mean, it's working fine enough. So I need to do B and D. B to register B. Register C5. And then what was in D? 1. Ooh! I don't know why, but that's kind of exciting. Does I know I do like the sound effect. I enjoy that you gave it very satisfying sound effects. Hold on, drinking some. My throat is thankful. Okay, cool. And I was like, wonder why there's letters and numbers. Then I saw. Oh my gosh, you recorded it. That's cool. There will be one request, and you will receive two values: one in register A and another in register B. Your program must swap this value. That is, the value in register A must end up in B, and vice versa. What's inside in C and D is not important. Use the C and D registers to help with your request. Register A. Okay. Can I... How do I remove something? I just put it back here. I click delete. Okay, I can just chuck it back in here. Okay. Okay. I kind of wish that you put the briefing somewhere else. Just so that I can see it as well. I would suggest to put the briefing down here. Because you'll need the briefing to kind of formulate what you're gonna do. And then you tab to the processor. Oh, you can tag. Amazing. There you go. Perfect. You thought of everything. Alright, alright. Okay, so... But right now... Yeah, register A and B does not have anything. Copy. And I'll put 2 copies. Oops. And register A will have Ludum. There. To register B. It's working here still, right? Question. Oh, wait. Hold on. So I have a question. When this says, be careful not to overwrite your initial values, does that mean these? Okay, so you just mean the Ludum Dare, right? Those two, not overwrite them. Hmm. So satisfying. Okay. Cool. All right. Get. Okay. Store in register C. Not negative. Length of. And why does it B and store it in D? Can I change that? If this is not oh, so I don't need. I don't think. Then I will. I suppose I could have done add, huh? That should be fine. Get the length of. Put it in A. And C and put it in B. Length of. Yes. Oh wait, it's the length. So they didn't. God dang it! Yeah, it took the number, not the value. Oh, I can't do that, huh? I have no idea what you're doing. So what I was trying to do is put what's in A and then B into C and then D and then moving that and switching them. But this doesn't do what I thought it will do. I have no idea with programming. I am very clueless. Um so oh, I can just do copy. I'm a dum dum. I'm a dummy. Wait, no. Mm. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. Uh This will be, if you are very well versed in programming, you will watch me. You know, also, because we don't have any music. Hmm. No, but if I tab out. Actually, I wonder if I can. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Mmm. These cookies are lovely. All right. Now we can have some funky music as we try to make programs. Yeah. Okay. But that would replace what's in B, wouldn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Copy. I feel like I am like cyberpunking because of this music. Not gonna lie. This is putting me in a mood. I should do it in order. D. A. And then C to B. Yes? Hey! I did it! Wait, did I not do it? Oh, damn it. Hold on. What happened? Oh, I have to have it. Yeah. I realized what I like. That's what you mean by be careful not to overwrite your initial values. Is that Ludum still needs to exist here? What does this do? Hmm. Yeah. Because basically my train of thought is that this is still initially relating to the first task that was given to me. And so I was like, oh, the 1 and the 2 that the what was it? AB51 that was given to me earlier. I was like, oh, I need to keep those there. Yeah. And also because of this, I thought that the dare, there should only be dare and ludum, which is what happened here. But you want it to be basically ludum dare, and then this is dare ludum. Yes? Did I understand that correctly? Add. Oh. If I... Okay, let me... put this back. If I do this... That should still... Will it... Just move them? No. Okay. Okay. Click it. Add. Oops. Add... Excuse me. Literal. Oh no. Oh, don't tell me that. Doggo, don't tell me you're eating tinola and do this to me. Why? Why would you do that to me? I think I'm misunderstanding something still. Yeah. The goal is so the goal is to swap my input. But I can't overwrite. The value in A must end up in B, and the value from register B must end up in A. But I can't overwrite the initial values. So I think what I'm confused with is because in the briefing here, the result should be register A should only have Dare and B should only have Ludum. But it's not seeming like that's what you wanted. Am I supposed to do Dare, Ludum Dare, and Dare is added? Oh, okay. I'm sure you get this much faster than I do. This is a pseudo language that Icy Lava made. And I'm just trying. I'm trying. And I can use register C and D to help me achieve what I want. What I did earlier, which was basically copy these to C and D and then copy this back to switch them, was not correct. These two? Maybe I should just add, I guess? Add and then copy it? If I just add. Is this add like... It's all math, so is this math? Or it can be with words. Okay, because I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm dumb, but I need to understand. Because this is copy. Okay, I think I kind of get it now. It's a mathematical add? Okay. But if I put Ludum on there, will it add it? It's a math... Wait, no, of course it won't. Okay. Can I? It's for number only. Okay. I'm guessing you should start with add instead of copy. No, but the add that's here is not for words. It's for math. So I can't use that. So this is messing me up, apparently. Right. You've mentioned as much. Go back here. Let me remove all of these. This is add is for math only, so can't really. And this is just for the values here. So how do I... You only need copies? Okay. Oh, I guess, can I just put this there? But not with literals. Oh, oops. That's the wrong briefing. I wonder... Will it? Oh no, it'll reset things, right? And not literal. I wonder if... I'm just gonna do this real quick. I apologize if I can be frustrating to watch. I wonder if this will work though. I'm quite curious. Well, nope, it'll be 0. Oh, right. Oh, yeah, because it empties it out every time I start. Sorry, doggo! I'll be 100% honest. I don't quite understand. Like, if it's not with literals. Like, how do I put the value in? Because that's how I put the value in, right? With a literal? And then I have to swap them. I had it in the beginning. I just don't want to use literals. Oh, no. Oh, the value is put in for me? Really? It says hello world. Oh. Oh. God. Okay. I get it now. I took the instructions very literally is what happened. Like, I thought, okay, this is what I need to put in. Like, I thought I need to put Ludum Dare, because that's what it said in the thing. I need to put Ludum Dare. Oh, okay. God, that must have been super frustrating for for you guys who like understood what I needed to do. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I understand. Okay. I'm sorry. Register A to register C. To register B to register D. I took it super, like, I literally, that my problem was that I took it literal. Oh. No, I appreciate that. I really do. Because I do want to get it. I love puzzle games, but I took that instruction a little too clearly. I know it said example, but I took it too literally. Okay, I need to like... I'm not sure if that's just me or if that's something with the wording that needs to be changed. Okay, now I need to copy what's in C to B and what's in D to A. All right. Yes. Satisfying. You know what? I'm kind of... I really love the sounds of like when the thing runs, but this music is way too loud. Oh, I'll close it. I'll close it. But it's super quiet. I put. I'll play this really softly. I don't know if that's even audible to you guys. Maybe that's okay. There. I do have one, but since I'm not typing, also I think I put like whatchamacallit, uh thing a mic filter on so it's not like don't continually clack. But anyway, okay. It's a more calming music, but it's just super quiet. Okay. Cool. What's next? Wait, did I do that? No, wait, did I fail? Hold on. Expected 5. Oh wait. Okay, there's a new one. Why did the briefing? Okay. Two values, one in register A, another B. Swap. Okay, it's the same thing? Is there a different now? What's happening? Oh, value. Value? What is in A must end up in B. Oh, hold on. Did what? Oh, this time I have to add it? Oh no. Oh no, what do I do? Here, I'll reset. Since I know what to do with that with the first two now. I'm more experienced. Yeah. Restart. That sucks. But okay. Put a bunch of copies in here. I need 4. A, B, C, and D. Okay. L, D, 51. Ow. Oh, is that what caused it? Oh, dang it. I saw you too late. I just saw. Okay. Alright. Fine. Doot, doot. That's A. B, B. F. Oops, not F. L. E. 5, 1. Run it. Hooray! Okay, then 8 E D and B to A, B to B. I mean, this will be the perfect. Even though this is like a fake language, I think it, you know. Alright, let's check the new one. Ooh, tricky. Nobody runs a server for it to handle a single request. Handles requests as they come in. You'll have to do some number crunching. Get 2 numbers in registers A and B. Add these registers together and store the result in register A. But this time you get 3 requests instead of 1. To ensure your program runs properly, use wait for next request instruction. That way you'll hold onto your result until it's time to give it away and get new inputs. Don't overthink this one. Put in 3 and Okay. We wait for next request. Just add them. Okay. Go back in the thingy. Okay. Add wait. Add wait. And hold on. Actually, add register. Add register A with B and store in register A. Wait, do I need to keep doing this then? Because it says, hold on. Press the button. Bit different from it, but it's a cool experiment. I mean, it's great. Oh! Whoa! That's cool. I mean, it helped that the instruction was like, just put 3 adding and then wait for next request in between. I'm like, alright. Okay, now handling 3 requests is better than handling 1. I don't know if that's true. To accomplish this, you use a loop. Instruct the loop. First, place a label and name. Something descriptive, like main loop. Okay, hold on. Let me clear my things. Go away. Go away. Hello? Please. Like, the closest thing I've done to this is, like, CSS. Which is not quite as complicated as this. Label. Loop. Loop. Alright. And then wait for next request at the end. Everything goes in between. That's how you make an infinite loop. You'll need it from now on. Okay, thanks. Okay, I must create a program that will take 3 numbers in register A, B, and C. It will multiply A and B and then add C to that. It will store the result in registers. I missed the jump. What jump? What did I miss? It's not gonna loop without the jump instruction. Oh, this one. Right. Okay. Oh, right. It's right here. Jump to label. Jump to label. Loop. Okay. I'm eating cookies and it's delightful. Now, the only thing I'm not sure of is if I should do the wait for next request. Multi. Oh, no, add. No, this is multiply. Multiply A and B and store in D. And then add B with C or in. Is that gonna work? Hmm. Okay. You just drag it out. So the wait for next request is only when you're done. Oh, okay. Ooh! And then it loops forever. Oh gosh. Do I just stop it? It's gonna loop forever, right? Oh god, values are getting huge. Oh no, it ended. Okay, never mind. That's kind of neat. I find this like really, really interesting because I'm learning. I mean, I know this is like similar but not exact. How like programming. Ooh, the Fibonacci sequence. Oh wow. Oh yeah. I mean, but some understanding of the language is required, no? Hmm. But I suppose I understand what you mean by like its skill set and methodology. Okay, hold on. One, two. Will that do it? Wait, hold on. I need to remove this other one. But I'm not gonna get. Not gonna change it. Well, will it go in the sea or hold on? No worries. You have a sleep well, Natoid. I'm legitimately debating if I should do a more than 24-hour stream. I say more than because I do plan on streaming tomorrow. Because that's what I promised. I'm gonna stream Hypnagogia. That's the horror stream that won. This will be interesting. Can you imagine playing that when you're sleep deprived? Alright. No call. See, I'm only gonna get... Right? Hold on. I just want to see... And it's gonna go just 1. And then it's just gonna keep doing that. Because the values in A and B won't change. Yeah. Interesting. Which is terrible. I don't know why you keep doing that to yourself. Do I need D? I have to store it in C. So maybe I should use D as kind of like a storage? See, I don't know if it wants me to change what's in A. Or if that's okay. No, that's not gonna... not gonna work. But B also needs to change because eventually... Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking as well. Okay, I just want to see what happens with this. If it'll work like how I think it will. Because it's not Fibonacci, because B also has to change. And this is just adding 1. And that's not how Fibonacci sequence work. Hi, Rise!
Large part of it, but
yes and no. It's not actual language. This is believe it or not, this is a Ludum Dare game. It's quite fascinating as someone who does not know any programming. If you're curious, I see Lava, you can link it. If either of you two would like to check it out as ones who deal in programming of things. Or are versed in such things. Maybe you guys would do much better than me. Also, do not, like, you can move the tabs, but don't do it. Because it bugs out. How will I change? Stop. Let's see. Then... Wait, don't tell me what to do, Rise. I'm trying to solve it. I'm trying to solve it on my own first. I'm trying to solve it on my own. Don't tell me what to do. Shh.
Stop.
um. I'm sorry. My husband is messing with me. You can kind of hear his. Yeah, I feel like I can do it without D also. And I feel like it'd be tidier if I don't have D. Um. I'm gonna go copy A to B. Wait for Nectar's Press. Okay, let's try that. Oh no. That's not correct. Damn it. Yeah. That's not correct. Hmm. I think I'm in the right path with this one. I'm not sure. Like, I needed to kind of hold off. Yeah, like, oh. I needed to not copy it immediately. Oh, wait. If I do this, will that work? Will that... No, but then on the next loop, it... Wait. Maybe. Maybe. Hold on. I will run it and see. No, okay. Can't do that one. Go back. Ah. If... No. That doesn't make... And it will also... As long as it's a one character number, the length will always be 1. I have to do 1, 1, 2, 3. But after 3 is... Because this is gonna error when it gets to the 5. Because it should be 5, but it'll be 4. Oh, shoot! Hold on. I had this thing, which is... Wait. Hold on. Why did I do... 1... Yeah. Yep. I had it right. Yeah, I had it right at this point. Hold on, go back. Oh, oops. Oh. No, go back. Okay. So up to this point is correct, and then I need to start doing something with register B's values. What? Oh no! I can't do that on the first loop. It doesn't make... Yeah, it should be 2 right here. Yeah! I'm shaking my fist. Oh, but the literal won't change, which won't help. Because Fibonacci eventually. 1, 2, 3, then 3 and 2 is 5. Yeah. Like, I needed to... Oh! It? Um, It'll be... No, it'd be wrong. Wait. Yeah. Like, some kind of step like this has to happen. You can think of A and B and C as first, second, and third. Oh, fair enough. I was kind of using C as an untouchable. I know, no, I know I'm close. I know I'm close. That's why I'm like, don't help me. I want to solve it. Because I was kind of considering C as something untouchable. But you're right in that I can use it. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay, hold on. Oops. Put this away. Okay. Yeah. There was a way to save the code. About to screenshot mine. Oh, you're here too? Oh, dang it. Because I can tell that I'm really close to solving it. Oh, I love a good puzzle. And this is like a good puzzle. Don't go too far. Don't go too far, doggo. No hints. No. It's something like that, right? It's something like that. And store and register C. One. Okay, so it goes 1 and 1. 0, 1. They add it and then it goes to 1. And then I copy this and it goes to 1. And then it's 1, 1. It goes 2. And then A copies it here. So this becomes 2, but this stays to 1. Like, when I get to here, it's like, okay, how do I do this? Hold on. I need a literal... I'm gonna get another note. So I can visualize what I'm thinking about. The second to nth step is a debug. That's a forever step, isn't it? Like, okay. Ooh, okay. Pause. Oh. What step? Oh, this is the pot. I'm a dummy. No. Ah. I see, I see. I thought one of the buttons was gonna change. That was my bad. Okay. Oh, step. Okay. So it adds it and then puts it in C. So that's, yes, a 1. And then it copies it, puts it there. Yeah. Like from what I've garnered and gleaned from just osmosis, this is very close to kind of understanding how the logic in like programming works. Okay, and then do I then goes back. And until here, it's correct. And up till here, it's still correct. 0, 1, then 1, 1. Maybe I need to do this in register B instead with C, but then I still need to fix A. Same thing. Yeah. I know about basic. But like I didn't learn it in 3rd grade. I didn't have like programming classes in Philippines. My schools at least didn't have them. This at this point it's still correct. Yeah. It's the next part, then it like B needs to change at this point. It needs to be what C is. It was so ghetto. Didn't even use a mouse. Everything was keyboard based. Wow. Like I learned like handling the computer by myself at my dad's office. Wait, but if I... No, but that would change the value would be too drastically. Would it? I am typing. Trying to figure it out visually. Okay, as far as that goes, it's fine. If I... be like, because I need to keep B like 1 for such a long time. 0, 1. Here, I'll do this to B. Maybe that'll help me see it more clearly. Wait, oh, I can't do it to B because... Actually, I can't do that to B. Because 0. Oh no. That's actually not... Maybe... Oh, I should do this so it can run. I just want to see what it does. Which is nothing, because it'll be like 0, 1. Yeah, it's forever. Yeah, it's forever. Right. This is good to be A. Copy to A. I just like... ah! Because this is correct up until I get to like 3. Because B needs to be 2 at that point. Wait, why did I go 4? Shouldn't that be 5? B. We add and then put it 5. No? Oh, because if I add it... Wait, yeah, it won't be correct. I know, I know, I know. Ah, I can do it, I believe. I really want to put... Hold on. Oh, I can't... Oh, I can. I'm just gonna copy this to my text pad. So I can... No! Can I? Oh, yes. Yes, I can. Wait. Oh, it won't let me. Oh. It won't let me copy. It just copies the... Like, the link. It copies this link. Dang it! Yeah, I just want to see this. Okay, you know what? I can think of a different way to do this. I just want to see this continually. Never! Until I solve it. No, it's okay. I got it. I got it. Screen cap. Screen cap has helped save the day. Thank you for all of your patience. This is not the most exciting and thrilling content. But I'm determined. Thank you. If I add register B to register C, I'm worried. I'm worried, but you know what? I'll try it. Didn't I do this earlier? I feel like it didn't work. Okay, this is pointless because it's not doing anything. Since it's dumping that here. Yeah, I still have that problem. I'm a dummy. Yeah, I don't want it to do this. No, it's already wrong. Wait, yeah. Has to be. Ah! No, it's already too big. It should be two first. Dang it! Should I do it before? Would that make a difference? Oh no. Yeah, I was like, I'm already. Ah! I mean, hey, you can, or you can also play Icy Lava's game. Okay, I had a big brain moment. Okay, with a copy C to B. Hold on, let me put that. I'll put that back. Wait, it didn't delete it. Wait, nope. Go here. Thought I was gonna sneeze. It didn't happen. Copy. Oh no! Wait, did I regress? Oh god. Hold on. Let me clear my brain. Let me clear my brain. Register A. Oh, hmm? Oh, because that marks it. Wait, why didn't it loop? Because I had two. it jumps too fast. I'm like 2 clicks away. Oh, I'm so close. Mm. Oh, I should do this. Oh. The pressure. Okay. That should be 2 after this step. Yeah, yeah. I wish I could go back a step. Um, I'm just. One stays one. I had said I don't know what, like earlier when I started this, I felt like I had an idea as to what to do. And then you copy it to A. Oops. Yeah. Excuse me. Right. But if I put in wait for request, it pauses, right? It doesn't loop it. Oh, oops. And it doesn't really, yeah. I feel like I'd get too complicated if I add another loop. And this is where the thing ends, so I don't want to put it in the middle. Yeah. Like I want My brain keeps going to wanting to add a code in the like make it not register a line of code until the second or third iteration, but you can also move the weight after the add. Would you like a burning hint? No, not yet. Not yet. I'm sorry, I'm so slow. But I just want to get it. And I feel like I'm so close, but something is not clicking yet, and that's what's blocking me. But I don't know what that is, so I can't like solve it either. Let me try that. See what happens. I mean, it's the same thing. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, at this, yeah. Missing a thing. I'm missing a thing. Yeah. It's after this point that like the because it needs to be 5, but since I'm copying C to B, what if I did I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me just get this out of my system. Oh, it's the same thing. I'm just making it complicated. Yeah, I'm a dummy. It's the same thing. I'm just making it complicated. Like, because I need B to stay 1 in the next round and then start copying. Because then after that, it's correct. I when you find out what you're doing wrong, I'm pretty sure I will, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like, oh yeah, it's this, it's obvious, isn't it? And I'm like, oh, hold on, okay, hold on. Let me cleanse my palate for a moment here. Oh, oops, I just realized YouTube is like, hey, music isn't playing. Are you watching? Hope you guys are hydrating yourselves, because I'm gonna be here all night. I don't know yet, actually. No, why would I do that? That defeats this. Brain, please. Oops. Wrong notepad. Okay, fine. I actually would prefer if I had a pen and paper, but I don't have one nearby. I know, amazing. Okay. If I follow this, it's gonna be 1. Add and then on. Uh, oh, because I'm trying to like run, like if I'm quiet, that I'm trying to run the program in my head with like a tweak to see if it works, but I'm a terrible program computer. Would that? Mm. Oh, no. And then it's forever. I'm gonna hate myself, aren't I? Once I get to the right answer. Oh! I can just feel it in my bones. Okay, fine. Give me a hint. I'm sad, but give me a hint. I'm getting stuck for far too long. I can't stay here for 30 minutes. Because I'm dummy. Yeah, just one. Like, don't be careful. Because each of you might give a different kind of hint.
They're cop duo, Dick and Dummy.
After you... Ow! Ah. Sorry, I hit my elbow on the table. It's okay. Right. Right. I am looking at it, by the way, with the screenshot. Move the weight after the ad? Is there a difference if the weight is here versus when it's under? Because I know this basically sends the request. Yeah. Oh, okay. One one, and the next has to be 112. Oh, I need. Yeah. So this will be like, if it was 0, then it's 011, then 112, then 123. So this should be like, that's where I get stuck, is because this works fine at the beginning, but after this turns to 2, B needs to be 3. So C is to A. Wait. D-A-A-B. That's kind of what I have right now. D to B. Oh, oh! If I... Yeah. I think I see it now. Oh! Yeah, like, this was close to what I needed, but what I needed to do was do B to A, and then C to B. Oh, I got stuck. So I know exactly why I got stuck. Because this pair worked, my brain was like, you cannot touch that because it works. Instead of, why don't we shift that because it might have a different result. That's why I got so stuck, because then I was just like, okay, it's the other copy that needs to change, not this one. Oh! Ah, that. Oh. Let's see it. Wait, no. B to A and C to B. Out later in the sequence. Yeah, I think if you did, I would have seen that error much sooner. Because, like I said, because it works for the 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Like, I was just like, oh, if I can just make the program come in at like 2, it'll start working properly. That's why I got so like stuck in a loop because I keep thinking that. Oh, does it work now? Wait, oops, I had pause, sorry. Oh, that's so satisfying though. There it is. Oh, it's working now. It's working. Oh. That took a while, not gonna lie. However, that was very satisfying to solve. Okay. I know this is gonna take like forever, but I do want to try the other one, the next one after this. Almost ready to write firmware? God, I don't think so. Might be a bit much. Oh no. Well, I want to see it. I just want to see it. Buzz. Let me just. The next one is typical technical interview question. Oh yeah, did they make you do this all the time? What's a modulo?
By two numbers.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh. I didn't have to do for your interview. I had to write. Oh, control a laser? Well, isn't that the thing you did? All right, see you guys. Okay. See. Okay. Three tries over two. I just had to write a code to control a laser. It wasn't too hard. Just took me 2 days. Enough knowledge to implement this program, but if you're having a hard time grasping, here's some advice. Play around the modulo and the conditional jump instructions to get a better understanding of how this works. Yeah, go to. Is this important? Okay. I don't need to loop this back. Bless you. I mean, yes, if it took you 3 tries and they were still like, yeah, do it. Because one would think that if you failed the first time, they'd be like, sorry. Oh. That's how you implemented. This is 10 seconds, this thing? Oh. Okay. Expected 7 in register. Got blank. I just wanted to see what the value was, okay? Right. Because it's gonna have the ifs. And this is... Oh, there's the modulo. Not really. Like, Cody explained it to me. It's like the remainder. But I'm not sure if that's like... That's why I was referring back to the notes to the briefing. If number A is divisible by number B, register A with literal. I'm gonna do this for you. We're in... Do I need to store it anyway? Oh, yes, in B. Yeah, yeah. So if I go... Wait. Oh, oops. Oh, it's in pause. modulo a with okay, because that's the rounded. Yeah, it is a yeah, I realized. Because B doesn't have any values in it yet. Okay, I need to like store it C or D. And then be it like if jump to label buzz if register C is not 0. Jump to label fizz. Wait, how about the fizz buzz? Oh. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. I need to figure out how to get the modulo. It expected a 7. Because B should be either fizz, buzz, or fizz buzz. Oh, otherwise, B should contain the original number. That's why I was looking for a 7, because 7 is not divisible by 3 or 5, so then it should just be 7. Do I need to loop this? I don't think so. Is you do need to loop it. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, then I need a label for the top one. Start. Let me be creative. Jump to label, start. Copy fit register. Yeah. If register. Oh, okay. Let me Oh, how will I do that? I only have 4 registers. Oh, I guess it's a fine. It'll just, if it overwrites in B, so I can use E as well. By looking at the cover of the game. No! Oh, oh, that's long. Is that the problem that's on the cover? What are you gonna say, doggo? Just say it. Oh, you. I get it. I get it. Um. Okay, I want to do it kind of one by one so I don't get but right now I'm just like, did B have a value? I just realized there's like, I made this, but it's not complete, so it's just gonna be weird. Because like there's a label copy here and this does nothing. Okay. It's 1. So since C, jump to label fizz if is not 0. Hey! I mean, it's not correct, but that's neat. That's neat that I got to get to do that. I like that. I don't know, seeing it work is really fascinating. And that's what keeps me, like, that's why I want to keep going. Because I'm just like, oh, that's really cool. Like, after you get it to work, after you get it, you know? It's rewarding. For me, at least, because I love puzzles. Even though I'm really bad at it. When you get it, you know, the satisfaction of understanding. I see lava. What time zone are you in? Just out of curiosity. Are you supposed to be? Because depending on what time zone you're in, are you supposed to be up this late? Okay. I apologize. This is like... I don't know how fascinating this is for you, watching someone that's not very good try. Okay. 3... 7 is not divisible by 3 or 5. Hmm. That's interesting. I don't think that's correct, but. So I don't think this is like so far opposite of what I normally do. Hey, Ricky, still up? What are you doing up? Shouldn't you be sleeping? No, not literal. Go back. If C. But if C is not 0, that doesn't necessarily mean it's correct. Because it's just saying that there's a value in C. Not that the value is. Just woke up? Oh, good morning. Are you ready for some programming and maths? Because that's what we're doing here today. Well, that's what I'm doing currently. I'm trying my hand in solving this new challenge. Because if the yeah, because if I put this as it's 0, so it's gonna jump to fizz. Oh wait. Oh, see, that's dumb. If I didn't do that, I wouldn't have realized what my mistake was. Wait, why did it jump to B? Shouldn't that have not jumped? Or is it because I don't have any other... hold on. B is 0 currently, no? But since it runs here... B is nothing there. Is that technically not 0? Because it has to be 0 otherwise. You don't remember when it happens. Because I just thought that if there's no value, then B should be... It counts as not 0. Okay. Just to test, I'm going to copy literal 0 to register B. No, B. And I can't change it's not 0. Oh. It didn't do the next part because B is 0. If I another one. Hello? Alright. Hello? Put it in here. There you go. Modulo A with A and door. Right. Hey Ricky. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Alright. Register A and store in. Hmm. If I do that, then I mean that would defeat the purpose of things. But that should turn it to 0. I just wanted to see. Yeah, that should be 0. Okay, I need somewhere to put the value. And that's where it will check whether it's fizz or fizz or fizz buzz. Can I just... Can't. I have to store it somewhere. Oh. I feel like I need to store it in B, C, and D. Or will it... Hold on. Will it matter if I, say, put it in A? No. So I can use all of them, really, for storage. Because I need a place to check for FizzBuzz, which requires that 3 and 5 has a has a modulo of 0. Okay, let's do A. Okay. Ooh. Can't do it that way. I have to do B, C, and then this one B. Literal 5. No. Stay. These all have to check in with A. That needs to stay. If okay. All right. Now I need to start adding labels. I put this here. Label. I'll start over. Fizz. Buzz. And fizz buzz. And then label not. Then I need to put all the jumps before the labels. But I kind of needed to check through all the labels for copying. B. Wait, hold on. Is I want an if and like the conditionals. I want to put like if it's not 0, then go here. I know that's like kind of what I'm trying to do. Um, but I don't have that. Yeah. I have a not instruction? Oh. Oh. But it's just storing it though. I can tell. Maybe I should not label this as not. Same. Not turn 0 values into 0 and 0 values into 1. Hmm. That makes it. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, oops. I need to. Oh, wait. Yes, yes. Right. Yeah, I think. Wait for next request after every. Okay, so get the not of register B stored into. So if B is 0, it turn it to 1. I need to remove some of these. I have too many things and I don't know what's happening yet. Jump to label same. If register B. Same. Copy literal. 8. Register. Oh no, that doesn't check. Doesn't X. I put. Did it not go? Yeah. Oh! It's good. I'm getting somewhere. I got some progress done. I don't know if it's the correct progress. However, I made a thing. I'm trying to just go step by step so that I can see what's happening. Because it's easy to kind of just, put things in without fully understanding, especially for me, since I don't fully understand. I am awake still. This is, I know, not the most exciting. Not 0. What happens if B is 0, though? Get not a register. E, B, then put in C. Put it in. Put it in. Get not. So if. Okay, let me make a delete. Label fizz. And fizz. Copy. If it's divisible by 3. Register B. Okay, so C is the 3. Then I can do a jump to level is register A. Register. No, then it'll be 0, right? Is it because this is not? Oh, this might not work. Hmm. Oh, wait. I'll try it. I'll try it. Wait, why did it? Oh, because that's the first one. Oh no! Did I go to Fizz? Oh no. Stop. I need. I guess I should go wait for next request at there. Wait, if I do this, would that register? Same. Okay. Oh no, it's still. How do I do that? How do I make it not go through that? I don't want it to put the label in. Oh no. How do I make it jump? Oh, I guess I need another jump to label blank. Jump to label. Start? If register. Might need another. Copy page. Oh no, this should be fine. Okay, run it. Okay, we are at. Wait, it gave me the same. Okay, false. Is it random? What? Okay, I was given 7. That should be 0. Okay, and then this should turn it into 1s and 0s. B would be 1, and C and D should be 0. Welcome back! Okay, so B is not 0, which is not. Then it should jump to same, which is what it did. Then you copy A to B, and then jump to start. Okay. Does it have to reach the very end? Oh, thank you. For it to give me, like, the program has to go all the way down here at the bottom for it to give me the next value? Or is it a randomly assigned value? Okay. With that. Mm-mm. Why does the second loop? Okay, so start. That should be 7. So this should be 0. Hello! Okay. Oh, I just realized this says add. That doesn't matter now. Because it stores as in D, in which I'm not using at the moment. Hello, hello. Pardon me. I am playing a Ludum Dare game, and it is teaching me programming. I am not a programmer. Very much not knowledgeable in this, so this is I'm not making anything. This is a fake language. This is Icy Lava's game. If you're into programming, then you might like this game. It's kind of like a puzzly type thing. That okay, not that should turn B to 0. That should turn C. Wait, C to, that C should be 0. Yeah, okay. C should be 0. Okay, cool. Same, because B is not 0, so that should jump to same. So it should go here. Okay. And then it should copy A to B, A to B. So that should become 7. Huh? What happened? Oh, because of the time? Is that it? Because I'm running out of time. Yeah, I'm running out of time. Ah! So I think my method might work. Line 2 is sus. Well, I need to get checks for the same. Although that will always get like 0, wouldn't it? Maybe I should put that last. And then check B last every time because it needs to go through the other checks first. Yeah, will always be 0. I mean I have to check for that. Oh wait, no I don't. Thank you for pointing that out. I don't know why I had it in my head that I needed that. Because I don't need it. Okay. Yeah, you're correct. I just need to check. Oh, I'm using it. So if it's divisible... This should be later on, maybe? Go apply at Google? No way! Okay, I have dinner right now, so I'm going to eat as I think. So I apologize if my crunchy sandwich bothers you. Let me know and I will mute myself. But if it doesn't, then I will continue with consumption of food. I mean, it's not Doritos, but I'm not hacking systems, so it should be okay. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this is the longest game I've played today. Just because of the puzzle element of it. And because I'm so insistent and slow. Because basically, I have to check it if it's divisible by 3 or 5. But otherwise, it should have the original number. And so I'm using modulo A as a check for that. But I probably should not do that as the first check, because that will always be 0. So it will always be same. This is modulo. My thing now is like, how do I make it right? BizBuzz. And I think I can write this in a very messy and long way from what I have. But I need to write it shorter because I have a limited time for the process to, like, proceed. You know? My sandwich is very messy. Okay. Oops. Hmm. I have to make it shorter. I suppose I don't nearly need to check for modulo if it's not divisible by 3 or 5, because I would just need to copy, right? What's A and B. Because otherwise, it'll check for these. So maybe... I don't know. Kind of feels wrong. Copy. C and D. Because I feel like it needs to register these two first. So then I don't need this one, because this one was just to make it so that it's the same. Right? Not sure. Okay, give me a second. I need a better paper towel. Alright, I'm back with a paper towel. Okay. Oh man. Okay, so if I do this, I need to make sure that these... Then I need to put a jump to label. Buzz. If register A. Register D. Enable fizz. I don't know if I need this one here, but I feel like I do. Maybe I don't. Maybe that's just at the end. I do need it to loop. I don't know how to put fizz buzz. That's my other thing. Jump to label fizz buzz. Because this has to check both C and D. And that's how do I check that? Oh, that's gonna be my... I'm seeing the fizz buzz to be the challenge, because I don't know how I will be able to check both C and D and then make it go somewhere without it jumping from C first. Sandwich is falling apart. Because this will be correct for the first one. Hmm. Label Buzz. Copy literal. This. This? Oh. Up to label fit is not 0, which it is. Label is not 0, which it is. Oh god. Oh no, it goes down. Oh, stop. That's not gonna work. Oh no. I needed to like, because if it goes here, it'll just copy. Then it'd be wrong. Right. Oh, you're correct. So I should do these checks after. Wait. Right? After the fizz and the buzz jumps is when you know it's visible by the... Yeah. Oh, that's true. But how do I... make it jump again? Alright. Gonna eat another bite of my sand. Oh! Because if it checks for fizz and buzz, and it is 1, which means it's divisible, it wouldn't jump. So after that, I can just say that, like, B is fizz buzz, because technically that's the check. I think. That makes sense in my brain. Ooh, I got it up. I'm gonna put that in before I forget. I'm licking my fingers every time I finish my sandwich because it's so good. But I don't think it's making cleaning my fingers easier. Alright. Ooh, I'm kind of fired up, Icy. I'm fired up. I'm determined to see this through. Okay. Let me take that out. Copy. Copy literal fizz buzz. Fizz buzz. To register. Then I need to make this jump to here. Let me put a label here. I don't need the knots. Label fizz buzz. Give me a second. Let me jump to label fizz buzz. Yeah. But then how am I supposed to check? You already have a knot. Oh. That is true. That is true. Because if it is something, well, because I was using it, right? As like a check. If I have the knot in there, it turns these values. If they're not, then jump to label fizz is actually not fizz. Yeah. Because it's not, because it will be not 0. I was using the knot to turn the numbers into a 0 or a 1. That's what I was using the knot for. Is that like extra? Is that like, is there another way to go through that? Because I feel like, but this will help you with the end case. The end case? Detecting the fizz buzz. Oh. This is true. Because if I turn it, it'll be like... Okay, so I need to think of if else. Yeah, I was kind of thinking about if else statements. I feel like I'm kind of getting stuck in a mindset again because I can't edit this to not be 0. And not 0 is either empty or not a... Basically, if it's not a 0, then it will do this jump. So as long as that's a 0, I should be okay. Wait, then why did... Yeah, that doesn't... Why did I have the other stuff? Now I feel silly. Because if C is 0, it will just jump to fizz. I need a jump here, I think. To make it go to the loop. Put the jump in here, please. Fizz buzz. Actually, fizz buzz. Because after these, they have to go here and then loop again, right? No, not label. Not to... No, this one should be fine. Wait, no. Buzz. After the buzz. Put it in. Fizz buzz. No caps. Fizz buzz. So now, the only thing I have to be worried about, but I guess it's already copied A to B with this. So whatever values C and D have shouldn't matter because otherwise these would both be not zeros. Ergo, it will just wait. Hold on. The only thing I'm worried about now is the which makes it a good puzzle. Yeah. The not. The not zero. Okay, so now my only concern, I'm voicing out my concerns. You're welcome to be like, you don't have to worry about that or whatever. Because I might be getting stuck in, the same kind of thinking as I was earlier that got me stuck. Um, so right now, so the first number is a 7. And that should work, right? Because B, this would be both not zeros. So it wouldn't jump to these labels. But now, after this, it goes to this code and then it'll go here, which will copy Fizzbuzz to B, wouldn't it? You know what? Let's just run it. It's kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. Copy A, okay. It's not 0, so it shouldn't jump. Wait! Oh no, it jumped because it's not a 0. This is what I was worried about. That's why I was trying to do the knots. Oh, I need a different check for that. Oh. I need a different method to keep register B as B. Yes, but it jumps. Right. But now, not Fizz. Okay, you know what? That might help me think, so I will follow advice. Not Fizz. Let me stop this. Not Fizz. Not Buzz. Wait! Okay, wow, you know what? You're right. That changes a lot of things already. If register C is not Fizz, then it shouldn't be labeled Fizz. Wow, wow. That is such a difference. That really is. Because I'm like, if C is 0, then... But... Wow! Man, that changes, like, I can't explain it properly, but I get it. I get it. So... Wait. If register C is... then it's not Fizz. Because C needs to be 0 for it to be Fizz. Okay. Yeah, naming is important. That's such a, like, that shifted how I thought about that so hard. I was just like, oh, wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me clear all this junk at the bottom for a moment. Because I feel like that's easier than trying to tidy up what's there. Okay. I'm gonna label this back to start. Okay. Okay. which makes more sense, to be honest, because that's what we're trying to do. When jump to label start. All right. Okay. So if so you have cases C and D are not 0. Yeah, exactly. Now that was what I was going to think of next. So because if they are 0, that's when I have to label them fizz or buzz. And this has to be back a second. So if register C is not 0, then it should just go back to start, no? If it's not fizz, then it should just go back to the start. If it's not buzz, because if register C is no, I get it. Not buzz means it is fizz, and not fizz means it is buzz. Okay, so if register C is 0, then it should jump to buzz. Because then it's not fizz. So we're doing 24 hours and getting a computer engineering degree? I think so, Andide Bob. I think so. Hello again. Hi, how are you? Yeah, like, so I love a good puzzle game, and this is a very good puzzle game. I'm just really slow at it because it's a very different way of thinking that I'm normally used to. So I have to like, oh no, not fizz. It could be buzzer. It could be the original number. Yes, correct. That's I'm trying to. That's my next worry, because it will go through here. It's all puzzles all day. Fair enough. But yeah, so I've been really like, it's been an hour I think that I've started playing this game, but it's been a lot of like, I'm so close to the end. And I want to like, well, I mean, it's a puzzle of sorts, right? And I want to get to the end. Like earlier, I got stuck in a very loop. I got stuck in a loop, funnily enough, because of how I was thinking about certain elements of the code, and that got me stuck in the puzzle, and I was there for a very long time. And just now, like both Icy Lava and Doggo have shifted my perspective on how to think about this number. Because, for example, the not fizz and not buzz, I was calling this fizz and buzz, but labeling it as not fizz and not buzz has like turned my thinking like completely differently. So I'm thinking about it differently, which is really fascinating, honestly. Like seeing how I shift my perspective is also part of that's why I'm still here. I just kind of want to do this one. Now, this one is a really long puzzle, though. I'm sorry, it's not the most fascinating thing. Unless you like watching me make mistakes. In which case, you will have a ball of a time. Right. It was correct before because I had the not instructions, which converted it. But I don't have that anymore. So these are no longer correct. But this is better to get the fizz buzz because that's a more concise check, because I don't want to have I imagine with my old code I could somehow land it to where I could get the results that was necessary, but I would not have enough time to process it to do so. So this I feel like this is a better method overall. So now I just need to figure out how to make it like, okay, let me go make not biz. Not biz. So this will be copy literal buzz. 3, hold on. If it's 3, B should be... Oh wait, hold on. Yeah. It's B. Make us something with product requirements is pretty much a puzzle. Okay. Then after this, I can jump to back to start. I'm feeling like I'm worried it's not gonna work. For the rest of it. So that should make it 7. It's not 0, so it should jump to not biz. Oh wait, but if it does that, wouldn't it... Okay, it doesn't, because... Oh, it has to be 0 to go for it to not biz. Right. Remember that. Delete. Okay. But now it moves down here. Okay, how do I make it not do that? Because this will move to here, which will then overwrite what is in B. Oh, it should have. Why did it not? I have the correct... That's true. Because it's 0. Huh. Yeah. Why didn't it jump? That's weird. Maybe if I don't do this? No, it's just going through. Oh, why? Oh. Do I have to restart? Do you have extra spaces in the labels? I think so. Not biz. I tried to copy it. I'll do this. I copy paste. Oh shit. It didn't have a label to jump to. That's why. You're right. I didn't didn't put the correct thing. There you go. It wasn't a label, it was just a jump to label. Which doesn't make any sense. Okay. But then wouldn't it have jumped here then? Hold on. Then it would have written buzz to register B. Because it's not 0. Oh. 10 hours of debugging. That was the debugging part. Okay. But then it's gonna jump. And then it's gonna write buzz to register B. Which is wrong. No, okay, I need a way to check that. I'm gonna take a bite of my sandwich again, because this is better hot. Mm-hmm. Oh, because that also has to be not 0. Okay, give me a second. Right. My sandwich has fallen apart. Hmm. Okay, I have to ask. Why do how does checking for the value in D help move it along? Because I've also checked it earlier. Like here. Oh, I guess because I have to see if it's not buzz as well. Right. Like when we get to not fizz, we're still not sure if it's not buzz, so I have to check if it's not buzz. Alright. Yeah, that makes sense. I figured it out before I read your comment. I'm proud of myself. Okay. Jump to label. Uh, jump, jump to label. Back to start. Back to start. Right. On the not buzz. Yeah, we're ready to. But I haven't checked if it's not buzz. Yeah, that's what I thought. And you want to be sure that you're checking both values before you assign it buzz or fizz. If no, yes, not 0. Yeah, because if it is 0, then it would go to thing. Okay, so now I need label. Fizz, not buzz, not buzz, and then check if it's not fizz. Wait, no. Would the not buzz then not need the not fizz check? Because we already checked by the time it gets to not buzz. Oh, then I guess I can just go straight down here. It should be the last thing. Because it wouldn't even get there. Yeah. Because if it is not buzz and it goes here, then it just proceeds down the line and then just repeats. You know, it's, yeah. Assembler's a funny language. You learned something and something. What assembler? What? Okay. Yeah. So if I just leave the not buzz check at the very end, I don't have to check for not fizz because I will just let the program basically run its course. Copy literal. Copy literal. Fizz. Register. Oh, is this gonna work? I'm kind of scared. Run. Okay. Do step by step. And then we copy it. So if not biz, if register z is not 0, which it isn't 0, so it should jump to not fizz. But then now we need to check if it's not buzz. And it is not buzz. It goes to back to start. And go back to label. Ooh! You should also move the wait to after back to start. I was about to ask that one. I wasn't quite sure. I think I'm not... Okay, let's stop. Like, this one is still somewhat like... I don't know where to put... It's like a period. I'm guessing. Do I have any more wait for next request? I had a lot of them earlier. I took them all. Ooh, but that was working. You're not handing in the result. Ah, okay, so it did all these checks, and now I can hand my result in. Got it. But that was working! And I'm kind of scared. I'm scared it's not gonna work after. Okay, let's run it again. So I know the first part works. Oh, the second part. Okay, now there's a new value. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared if this is gonna work or not. Okay. So that should be 0 because it is. And then... Okay. Now... It's not this because C is 0. So it should... Wait. Did it right? C is 0. Fine. Oh yeah, because it would go here. Because it would check if it's not buzz, which it not buzz is not 0. It would go to not buzz, which would then label it as biz. Oh, I think it's gonna work. Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna hold my breath and I'm just gonna let it run without me pausing. Oh, fizz. Oh, next one, it should be buzz. Oh! Those numbers are too big. Oh! That's awesome! We did it! You guys helped me with that one, to be fair. But some of those were very necessary helps. Like the not fizz and the not buzz was like gigantic in making me understand this puzzle. Like it's huge. Oh my god! Look at the briefing tab. Briefing. Yay! I am a certified visual assembly programmer. I'm gonna screen cap that. Because I have a certification. Save. Cert. Visual assembly cert. Put that in my LinkedIn. Yeah. Oh, that was really fun. I mean, it was challenging. It was challenging, but I think the challenge lay more with how I think just in general over how like programmers think, right? Um Oh, but that feels so good to get that. I have a small headache, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of thinking. However, that is so satisfying. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I don't know how it felt like watching me play that and trying to figure that out. Big thanks to Doggo. Because the not I really have to emphasize how much the not fizz and the not buzz like super duper helped me out um with checking. If I enjoyed that, I don't know about that, Doggo. I think I will leave that to others. Oh, wow. I'm gonna just lean back on my chair real quick. But yeah, I did enjoy that a lot. Again, wow. I did. Oh, really? Like the. Wow, I wonder if whatchamacallit, if any of our guys, if any of the guys probably Jasper, our our dude. I wonder if they were here, if they would have been just like, "Oh yeah, that's easy." Probably. Oh, cool. Hold on. Let me put that on my notes. Look, I look at this. I have this thing on my notes. This like little equation when I was trying to like figure it out by hand. You didn't have a back to start branch? I feel like that's kind of important. At least in terms of trying to get the code to go like within the time limit, you know? That's why I had it there. You named yours done. Ah, you know what? Oh, I should have closed it. I should have checked this. Let me see. I mean, it's pretty much, yeah. I mean, it's almost the same. The only difference is that I put my copy A to B at the bottom of the two checks. I guess it wouldn't have mattered because it would be in a different section and it's not overwriting A. Mine does a wait on every branch before it jumps back to the beginning of the main. Hmm. Yeah. Man, that not fizz, not buzz. God, like that turned the gears in my brain. That really did. I do think that this is very like I wouldn't say this is beginner friendly. um it probably needed a couple more puzzles in between to get to like the latter parts, but I understand again it's the whole the nature of the jam. But the only other thing I would say is that put some kind of just light music because it was so quiet. Um and not just for stream, like having mine does a wait. Oh, I see. I see. Slate machines. Is that how they work? Because if it is, then I did. Wording is such wow, it is really crazy how much that matter. Yeah, I thought it might have been that because I kind of find it hard to believe that uh you didn't think music would be quite necessary, but this seems like it would take a lot of. I can't even imagine how the back end of this game looks like, considering. Wow. Whew, that was nice. I did like that though. I did like it. And I think the minimal I think if there's anything, maybe it's just me. I'm using my husband's computer setup for this. Whenever I stream, I always use his because he has a double monitor setup. And with the size of our house, that's about the only space that's required. That can be allotted, rather. Um, and for like, imagine this is the monitor, right? And the program is like up here. I couldn't really tell the difference between the light gray and the dark gray for the stuff that's up here. So it took me a while to realize that I could edit the ad because I was like, what? Like, it's kind of obvious down here. So I would just say maybe change it to like another, maybe a tinted green or something, just to make it a bit more obvious. But I feel like you can put more stages to this. I would totally play it, that's for sure. If you make a fuller game. Ah, gotcha. There's no time. I'll update this later. I love this. That's great. Uh, I am keeping an eye on you, Icy Lava, just in case you make a bigger server.vasm, and I'll check out your other games as well. Because if you do make more stages for this, I want to play them. And it kind of helps that Doggo is there. Like, we know each other. We're like IRL friends as well as not IRL friends. But I can go like, hey Doggo, can you check this? I suppose I could. Thanks for following. I could also just message you. But, I can message Doggo and be like, Doggo, check my code. Oh, but that was like reaching. I was really scared when we were finally ending, like we were checking the loop. Because I was like, oh no, it's gonna have some kind of error on it. I know it's just gonna have some kind of error on it. But it didn't. Oh, and that was really exciting. That was really exciting.